Let me try to paint the picture of the holistic view here. And so we have these 3 courses. We have fundamentals, which leads to architecting, which leads to advanced special topics. Following each of those courses, there's a possible AWS certification that's tied to it. The first one is Cloud Practitioner. The second one is Cloud Solutions Architect. And the third one has several categories, including big data or machine learning or artificial intelligence or database management or development. So those are the certifications that are possible.
AWS certificates are separate entities that are administered by AWS itself. There are 5 sort of fundamental certifications and there are many specialty certifications. Those are administered through AWS testing centers. Our courses are intended to prepare you for those. The material that we use draws from the AWS material that are meant for certification.
Those 3 courses, they lead to this professional certificate, and it's the professional certificate that we see leads to these career opportunities. We have the deep dive cloud technologists. They would be the ones that go off and become a specialist in cloud technologies. We also see the one that interfaces with cloud technologists. So maybe they're a team leader or they interface with other companies that have cloud technologists. So that would be somebody that interfaces. And then the third category is the one that's, I would say, most closely to my career as an industrial engineer, and it's something I call an analyst. Somebody that would be able to use this infrastructure to collect data, analyze the data, and then make good business decisions based on that data.